Star Atlas DAO truly is buy and buy esteemed at 32 cents, bears control policies, for the most part current cost activities in a by and large significant manner. Policies fall 4.42% in 7 days, which basically is very critical. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO by and large is floating at $305,944, or so they really thought. 30 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for sort of the following week, and generally attempt to answer these regularly, for the most part sought clarification on some things, facts, what in a real sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, explicitly is policy and in every practical sense, wise venture. Which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so on, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Yet, prior to plunging essentially profound into the policy specialized investigation, most certainly allowed us explicitly to discuss the ongoing economic situations in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,422,755,320,117, which really is very huge. The in every practical sense, absolute exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $43,447,319,572, which certainly is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner. Which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, which generally is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period in an exceptionally significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, generally is somewhere around 0.56 and as of now exchanging at 60 cents, exhibiting how which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $37,779.77 level after a decay of 0.07%, or so they really thought. Furthermore, Solana came to $59.77 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.17% in esteem, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market especially is going in a kind of descending heading for kind of present moment, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. As of now, and in every practical sense, general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO execution. The genuinely current Star Atlas DAO cost especially is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the especially beyond 24 hours. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time span, or so they for the most part thought. Right now, policy by and large is somewhere near 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, showing how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to $1,422,755,320,117 in an especially significant manner. Star Atlas really is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the conjunction of cutting-edge blockchain, constant illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and exceptionally decentralized monetary innovations, or so they by and large thought. Ongoing designs innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals, which really is very critical. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention, laid out it to a great extent serverless, and got ongoing interaction experience, which sort of shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum certainly has seen a cost increment of 0.42%, coming to $2,042.78 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that imitates the substantial quality of sort of genuine resources and possession, which really shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $227.55, following a value change of 0.12% inside a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. The most effective method to basically take part in a really significant manner. To offer during the IEO, certainly make in every practical sense, sure you generally read the guidelines underneath, and all things considered, do the accompanying ahead of time. In a real sense register decently your FTX account and generally submit kick level 2 in an unobtrusive manner. Because of a very huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that prettier kick will in every practical sense be really supported before the IEO, which sort of is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, especially be encouraged to generally submit kick when genuinely conceivable and essentially get sort of endorsed to be especially qualified for the IEO in an unobtrusive manner. Note that you should have it especially the most on 150 FTT marked on FTX to generally partake in the IEO, and that you in a real sense get all things considered, more tickets on the off chance that you stake more. So Star Atlas basically is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the juncture of cutting-edge blockchain, constant illustrations, multiplayer computer game. And certainly decentralized monetary advancements in a huge manner. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO especially starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., or so they in a real sense thought. Get ready assets to offer. No less than 400 USDT, and at most 500 USDT, and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT, to basically secure and really your ticket distribution 24 hours before the IEO. He generally lives Star Atlas DAO cost today in a real sense is $390,734 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $108,029 United States dollars. Which in a real sense shows that Bitcoin shares 51.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. We basically update our Polis to United States dollars cost progressively, showing how Polis fall 4.42% in 7 days, or so they sort of thought. Star Atlas DAO sort of is down 45% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. The especially current can market cap in every practical sense, positioning especially is number 323, with a live market cap of $92,317,796 United States dollars, showing his Star Atlas explicitly as a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the juncture of best-in-class blockchain, continuous designs, multiplayer computer game, and sort of decentralized monetary advances in an